Hi guys, how you guys doing? Let's say hi. Get to share it. She's obsessed over this game. Let's show it to them. Okay, let's see. You stuck, right? You were stuck there. But anyway, I'll give you guys a view, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Okay. Fridge first. Kitchen. We have Clary, Henley. Henley, say hi. Say hi, Lily. He's eating. This is the breakfast layout. Look at this view. Nice. Lily. Be careful, Lily. Let's see.
I got it.
You got it? See? Claire is a smarty pants. The interest. I'll show you guys our room later. It's not your birthday, it's Grandma's birthday. Say happy birthday, Grandma.
He woke up this morning and said, like, Mommy, this is my birthday.
Grandma, say happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Grandma, say it together.
Happy birthday.
This is the entrance. So to your right, you have the bathroom. This is almost this is the bathroom. Stand-up shower, tub, and where you can take a dump. They have mirror everywhere. That's me. Oh my god, this is the view. The view is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, guys. Oh my god. You can have like a little fire thing over here. We have a little porch. This is a bed, a king size bed. You have a couch. Let me show you how big this room is. Like, you really have to see. It's really huge. The TV, little place to eat. The sofa bed. The sofa is actually a bed. Just in case you have guests over and stuff. So yeah. They have right here this what is this? This is a little closet. They have things, I guess, if you're staying for a lot of time. We rent this place because it was my mom's birthday, so we wanted to do something nice. And they have the fridge. Do they have things in the fridge? Nope, nothing here. Nada. And make little coffee things. Your Keurig, extra pillows. To hang your clothes. This closet is huge, guys. Like, it's a bed and breakfast type of place. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how the room looks like. And the view is this way. Don't mind the bed. And they have a big ass mirror. Sorry, they have a big mirror. You can see me on my phone recording. My hair is out, guys. I have a bun. I don't even think you can see my bun. But hi. This is what I was wearing. I'm about to take a shower. See what I was wearing. Yeah. outside. Yep, this is it. We rent like 3 rooms, so the other rooms are much smaller. This is like a suite, so that's why it's big. The best part of this is just the view. The view, it's beautiful. Beautiful. It's really cold. Let me see if I can. Oh my god, it's so cold. Yep. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. So we are about to leave the place right now. Okay. Just took a shower. My face is all glowed up. Lily, come here. Yeah. You ready? Yeah. Fair but now. Make sure Bubbly on here. Bass on here. Double check because well. Teresa, let's go. Look at what she's doing. She's just. That's it. So where might you go? This is another bed that we had. It has a little dining thing. It's much smaller. This is the bathroom. Closet door.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
You want to leave the watch out?
No, it's not lost.
Go.
This is another room. Alright, we need to go. This place was awesome. Thumbs up. Daddy's calling me. I already show you guys this place already. This is the suite and stuff. Yeah, but we are about to go. So deuces, bye. Thank you for watching. Yes, water, Lily, water.
Nice.
Nice.
Just you did the water.